Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like clay.
You put clay into a bottle and it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now clay can flow or it can crash. Be clay, my friend. So, what are you going to build today? Be clay, my friend.
So what is Clay? Clay is a company, Clay is a platform, Clay is a tool. But more importantly, Clay is a mindset shift in how we think about generating B2B revenues. It's seeing business growth as a creative process. It's understanding a tool should be simply an infrastructure for creativity. They say every artist has a medium and go-to-market has Clay. We saw it all over the billboards. When you're able to approach growing revenues as a creative process and you have an infrastructure for creativity, your goal as an artist is to work day and night on your craft. And the art that you create in the B2B market is about growing revenues, building lasting partnerships, helping others with massive waves of value, and giving back. Curiosity, creativity, humility, bold experimentation, resilience, and play are the true values of playing with clay. Let's make buying B2B easy. Be clay, my friend.